The bow. Classic yoga pose of the bow. The bow is so helpful for the spine and beneficial to getting us out of flexion. I can't say enough about the bow. We're going to start it right now, and I'm going to show you from a few different angles, that one up above and this one. So we're going to lie on our bellies, and let me say a few precautions before we start. Now, if you're not able to bring your lower legs into 90 degrees, that's okay. Maybe your legs will only be able to go about that far. And also, you may be not able to grab the ankles. So, grab some towels and wrap a couple towels around your ankles to help you with that. Now, if you're able to grab the feet, wonderful. Even better, grab the ankles, even more stable. Okay, so hopefully I'm in camera. I'm in this camera up above. I'm going to scoot down just for a second so I can be in frame in that camera. And I'm going to grab my ankles and I'm going to lift my arms using my legs. I'll say that again. I'm going to lift my arms using my legs. So I'm going to tighten my butt and my quads. I'm going to engage in some circumferential breathing here. And then I have two possibilities for my shoulder blades. I can squeeze the bottom, the inferior border of my shoulder blades towards my spine to turn on the traps there, or I can relax them. You have two possibilities there. I really like squeezing them so my shoulder blades together so then I can open up my pecs. And then I'm going to tighten that butt and try to lift those legs up. Now, you probably noticed from camera angles there, one leg is higher than the other. Yep, we're asymmetrical beings, folks. That's okay. I'm not looking for perfection. I'm just looking for better options for movement. We're going to stay for a couple breaths. And then you're going to exhale, come on down, rest. The bow. Classic. Tune in next week. We'll get into the side bow, which I love even more because it's going to open up your pecs even more.